monsters. I am Jack O'Learn.
And I'm Sandy.
Sandy will be making the WicKid Witch Juice.
That's right. It's for all you little ghosts and goblins to enjoy a spooky, refreshing drink.
Alright, let's not waste any time.
Let's begin. That's really tasty.
Indeed, indeed.
If you want the full recipe, don't forget to go to Jack O'Learn's YouTube channel.
Just go to the WicKid Witch Juice video. It'll be in the description below.
That's all the time we have for today.
Thank you for watching. You have a haunted day.
Bye-bye.
Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to our channel and smash that bell button for notifications. We look forward to seeing you on our next episode. See you then!